Oh, oh, bro. That feels so much better. Here we go, going in the back room. This is my first time here, y'all. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another adventure video. Today, me and my friend Levi are going to tackle Splash Kingdom. I haven't been here in years. So we're gonna grab some drone shots and then we're gonna go inside and hopefully, I'm gonna try to ride everything and hopefully I can get some POVs of all of the rides, kind of give you guys something to watch. So let's go. Alright, we gotta pick our color. Levi picked pink. Pink. No one will guess that. Alright, we're gonna put our number in. So we are switching out, putting the phone in, switching the GoPro, and putting you guys in the bag. Alright, so you wanna do the tradition? Do you wanna go in the water or hit a slide?
What do you feel like?
Let's get wet. Okay. And then we'll hit a slide. He said fall. Alright, I'm gonna submerge now. Woo! That feels so much better.
Let's go my sunburn. It's not burn.
Uh-oh. I like this. It's pretty chill. A whole lot more chill than Hurricane Harbor, I can tell you that. Woo! It's pretty good. Hey look, they're still here. I know they're gonna steal these like dollar store flip-flops. All right, y'all, so we got done with that. Now we're gonna head to the tower and we're gonna go to the express because we didn't see anybody doing it. So I gotta remind myself, I'm gonna watch this video and be like, oh, that's where they were.
I think that was because like,
all right, let's go. All right, y'all, this is what I'm going on. You ready? I'm so scared. Woo! You want to do royal flush? Yeah. All right. Let's go. Whoop! Did it hurt? Oh, that's so cold.
It didn't hurt too bad, did it?
Bro, when I came into the bowl though, it was like boom, that burnt.
Well, like, what I did is I was, up here slow.
Yeah.
Then you shoot down. Well, I kind of like stopped myself. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this. I let the water build up in my back, and then I just let go, and it pushed me down. And I didn't feel none of it because there was so much water.
Ooh, quick tip. We got a bonus tip from Levi. I almost forgot, but hey, we got reunited. The Tokinis. Are we hitting that next? The volcano.
Now the goal here, every time I go on this slide, is to touch the bottom.
Touch
10
the
foot.
Oh, it's only 10? I was thinking it was 12.
Yeah, it's just 10 foot. So when you go in, you try to hit the bottom and come up.
All right, we will check in with Levi and see if he accomplishes his goal.
It's hot up here.
Oh my God.
We have a 300-pound weight limit.
I know we look 300 pounds. I weigh 165. And Junior.
All right, fresh out. So let me get the sun out of the way. All right, did you touch the bottom?
No.
No?
No, when I went, I pushed myself too hard.
Oh.
And when I came off, I went backwards. I hit my back on it. I just splashed the guy. I mean, totally covered him. It was like a big cannonball instead of going straight down.
Oh, I got stuck. I was like, it's nice and refreshing though. So if you want some like cold water, that's the coldest so far. Second being the Royal Flush. You ready? Okay, we are here at the mat racers. I'm getting my spot. Hold on. Okay, y'all two ready? And go! I said, ew! You're done. Story time. This was my first, well, not my first. Watertown was actually my first. My first slide here, because I couldn't do the express, and this one was yellow too. So I was like, let me hit this one first, test the waters, and then go do the big one. So it's going to be a round, what do they call it? Full circle, first circle.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, I got you. I get it back in. This, that one.
All right, y'all, I broke the ride. No, they said lightning or something, bro. Just that there's lightning in the area, so they got to shut down all the slides for a minute. All right, so we're gonna better get a tube. Still not open yet, so I asked them. They said basically the policy is they have to wait 30 minutes after the last lightning strike they saw. I'm not sure exactly when they saw it, so we'll see. Y'all know I would lose on that. I'd be like,
I heard a little bone creak.
that was my flip flop.
I heard a little.
Did you see me like spiral? I thought I was gonna die. Alright guys, welcome back to my podcast. Alright y'all, we just got the word. It opened. So let's go! What did we say? Blue. We're gonna go blue, right? Yeah. Here we go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Man, look how beautiful that looks.
Yeah, I know, for real.
Oh, really?
That's awesome.
Jesus is coming down.
For real. Hopefully soon.
That's beautiful.
Oh.
too.
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Bro, did you twirl? Did you spin?
Yeah, I did.
That first one I started spinning.
Going like that down.
That was fun.
I'll tell you how it goes on that flat. How you feeling?
Well, when he wrote way 2 pounds. When I really like a feather, it just keeps scooting me off. It's on the race. Oh, it's like a mess. No, how am I losing? There's no way.
I guess it's a tie.
I was winning. Then he took the lead. Alright, go.
What's up, chat? YouTube chat.
Hey, watch out. That one you get stuck in. You get stuck in.
I know, I was here a long time ago.
What's the count? Yeah, what's the count?
Triple Pine Studios.
Triple Pine Studios? Oh, you gonna push this one? I got you.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna. Are you still in there?
Oh my God.
Are you in here?
No, I come on. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I want to go now. You got lost in the back rooms. Is it hot? Oh my god. Y'all, I think I'm gonna skip this one. Bro, you still there?
Hey, Cole, you good? Okay, pushing, you got this, baby. You got this, man.
He's still stuck in there.
I think it's stuck. Just do it, you got it.
Oh, there he goes.
got it, boy.
There he goes. All right, y'all, this one's for you because I hate this slide. I really do. Like with a passion. Here we go, going in the back rooms. This is my worst nightmare, y'all. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not even moving, y'all. I'm screwing. This is my worst nightmare. It's dark. You know I don't like to play no games. Oh, it gets even darker. It's not as hot as it used to be. All right, y'all, chat. It's just you and me now. This is like literally my nightmare. I hate this. Y'all need to tear this one out. Why do these kids like this thing? Hey, flush the toilet again. I need to go. Oh, here we go. There's the light. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That was literally my nightmare. I'm still scooting. What's your name? What is it? All right. My boy over here about to go. He gonna go on the yellow. All right, we got this chat here. We got this. There he goes, chat. He's doing it. Oh, he did it! Ah! I'm getting stuck on this one too. Ah. Yeah, I know. I usually stop like right at the end.
What's your channel?
Triple Pine Studios.
I won't remember that.
Triple Pine Studios. Triple Pine Studios. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I do a lot of cool things. Like I have a podcast and I do stuff like Six Flags stuff. And y'all, I just was looking for those and I walked by like, there they are. We'll come back and get those. Maybe.
All right, you guys are ready to go.
Go. There you go.
Hey, I went further than you.
Yeah, I'm a lightweight.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll see y'all on there. We're gonna do a TikTok too. It's the Real Slim Shaggy on TikTok.
Whoa.
All right, you guys, it was a fun day. We got to see fireworks, a bunch of slides. Now it's time to get something to eat and head home.
Yep.
So make sure you also watch. We might film another episode of the drive-thru. So be looking for that and all of the fun POVs we did today and the vlog. I have a lot of content to get on. And happy 4th of July, 250th in the US. And just remember, spread love, not hate, and life gets blurry. Just focusing until next time. Peace.